Hiya guys, welcome again to Ice Life. So in today's video, let's unbox this parcel from Next. And as you can see, it's a shoe box and malamang ang laman nito ay shoe. Pero next, bakit naman may rubber band at saka ganito ang box natin? Jutay-jutay na. But without further ado, let's open it. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38 Shield running shoes in pink. Wet weather can't stop your daily running habit when you lace up your workhorse with wings. It's set out to keep your feet both warm and dry in damp conditions, so it added details like a gusseted insulated tongue and a warm upper that's finished with a weatherized coating. Knit material in the upper is like a warm jacket for your feet. Skins around the toes are placed in areas where water can seep in, helping to keep you dry. The back of the tongue is also insulated so the top of your feet stay comfortable. The Storm Tread outsole provides traction in wet weather. It features textures inspired by winter tires. Micro grooves grab the road, while multi-directional shapes help shed water for direct contact with the pavement. Ito na nga. Ayan, may baon kami. Snacks. Kasi magwa-walking tayo. Samahan niyo kami. Today is Monday. Another day. Another video. Charot. So, magwo-walking nga tayo dito. Ita-try natin ngayon kung gaano ka-komportable yung ating new shoes. O, diba? Yung ating Nike na Air Zoom Pegasus 38. Masulta na to karon guys. Og, unsa bagay siya ka-komportable. Og, unsa siya ka-shield. Kay basaon na to siya. We'll see. So, see ya later.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can let
Alam na guys, ang walking na himong, di na siya walking kay tugnaw man day kaayo ay. Oh, di ba? Na ay naga-learn og surfing. Pero gusto lagi ko ana ay. Oh, the kids. They're learning how to surf. I don't know if you can see guys, yung ating car nandun nakapark. Sobrang layo na ng ating nilakad. Woo! And in fairness, yung ating shoes, okay pa rin siya. Hindi pa siya masakit. Sobrang mahangin. I don't know if you can hear me guys, pero sakit na yung aking tenga sa lamig, so kailangan na nating bumalik at sobrang medyo malayo na yung ating nilakad. So far naman yung ating paa, as in fairness naman sa kanya, hindi siya sumakit. Kasi usually naman kasi ang aking reklamo is pag masama or pangit yung sapatos na sinuot ko, yung aking ingron ay natitrigger. So, this time, walang ganun. So, pasok siya, okay na okay yung ating sapatos. Dahil hindi na-trigger yung ating ingron. And maybe I'll end this video na for today. So, make a love shout out to my Ayers clan, Ayers family there, na iila na lang ang natira. Mega love shout out to all of you. Sana ay lagi kayong safe. And then to my Team Premier and Team Kulkog, mega love shout out to all of you. Pasensya na sa boses ni Ice Life. Ay, may upo kasi ako. So, yun. Ayun na nga. Umuulan na. So, testing naman natin siya ngayon sa ulan. Nababasa pa siya sa ulan. Kaya Sunfest, basa na ang shoes. Dry pa. Shit. At yun na nga, basang sisiw tayo, ang peg. Basang-basa sa ulan. So, only in Ireland that you could experience sunny now. rain later, or even you can experience 4 seasons in one day. Di ba may ganun? Kaya ko talaga pinili itong shoes na ito, guys, kasi dahil lagi ngang maulan dito sa aming lugar, para safe naman yung ating paa, always dry pag ganitong umulan. Kaya yun, isa din yun sa mga rason kung bakit gusto ko magkaroon ng sapatos na waterproof. Well, anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. See you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.